Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo S60 versus S40. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle. The S60 typically offers a more substantial presence, while the S40 is known for its nimble, compact design. Understanding these foundational distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice, so let's dive into the specifics of each model right away. When it comes to size, the S60 generally provides a more spacious cabin and larger trunk capacity, making it ideal for longer trips or families. The S40, being more compact, excels in city driving with its easier maneuverability and tighter turning radius. While the S60 often boasts higher horsepower engines, the S40 can offer a surprisingly spirited drive, especially with its turbocharged variants. The S60 often comes equipped with a broader array of luxury features and advanced driver assistance systems, reflecting its position as a more premium offering. The S40, on the other hand, frequently provides excellent value, balancing comfort and practicality with potentially lower ownership costs. Regardless of your choice, both models deliver on Volvo's commitment to robust safety engineering and occupant protection. Ultimately, the better Volvo for you depends on your priorities. If you seek a larger, more luxurious sedan with ample power and advanced features, the S60 is likely your match. If you prefer a more compact, agile, and potentially more budget-friendly option for urban driving, the S40 could be perfect. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.